You found the right neighborhood, the right size, the right price, but the kitchen's outdated or the roof needs work. Can you still use your VA loan? Let's talk about that. If you're shopping for a home and keep finding properties that need a little work, don't write them off just yet. Most people think the VA loans only work for move-in ready homes, but that's not always true. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy and Air Force veteran. Today I'm going to break down how VA renovation loans work, who they're for, and how to know if it's a smart move for your situation. So what is the VA renovation loan? This loan lets you finance both the purchase of the home and the renovation costs into one loan, and you still get all the benefits of the VA loan. No down payment, no PMI, competitive interest rates, but you can borrow extra funds for approved repairs like roofs, plumbing, HVAC work, flooring, cabinet upgrades, and so forth. So what's not allowed? Pools, luxury items, DIY projects, or homes that are totally unlivable. This loan program is for homes that need updates, not a complete rebuild. So what are the pros and cons of this strategy? Well, the pros are you can get into a better neighborhood at a lower price, build equity through the improvements that you've done to the house, and finance repairs instead of paying out of pocket. So what are the cons of this? It's a slower process, a little bit more paperwork, and not all lenders offer it. Contractors must also be VA compliant, so there's no DIY projects allowed for this. But if you're willing to go through the extra steps, this can be a powerful tool. Most veterans don't know the loan even exists. They walk away from homes that could be perfect with the right updates. Understanding this program opens doors, like literally opens doors. People assume that the VA loan can't be used with homes that need a little bit of work, but that's precisely what the VA renovation loan is for. For example, we've had clients buy homes that were listed as cash or conventional only because the seller knew the home needed so much work that it wouldn't pass the traditional minimum property requirements that the VA sets out. However, with the VA renovation loan, you can actually repair those items which the VA would call out in the appraisal. So if it has mandatory repairs being made, the VA renovation loan can absolutely fix those. So now it opens up more inventory for you as a VA buyer. So how do you know if this is going to be a good fit? Well, it might be if you found the right home with good bones and just need some repairs, you're not in a rush to close, and you're working with a knowledgeable lender and contractor. It might not be the right loan for you if you need to move fast, or you want to do all the work yourself, or you're not up for a few extra steps. Still not sure though? Let's talk it through. If you're considering a fixer-upper and want to know if your VA loan can cover it, reach out to me. We'll break it down, what homes qualify, exactly what kind of repairs are allowed, and whether this works with your timeline and your goals. Click the link in the description or visit VALoanGuide.us to schedule some time one-on-one. You've earned this benefit. Let's help you use it to the fullest.